All right, taking a look at silver, we have signs of at least a temporary top in silver. But before we go further, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNES, the world's largest retail broker offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find the link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire, taking a look at the daily chart for silver. So you can see silver hit a high last week at 33.39, and then ended Friday with a bearish candlestick, bearish shooting star candlestick pattern that triggered to the downside today. But so far, you can see there's no follow through to the downside just yet. However, the damage or the potential bearish signal has been done. So we have the bearish signal, the bearish indication on the shooting star on the daily pattern, and the completion of an ABCD pattern with the CD leg completing an extended target at 33.34. The target is extended by 161.8% of the length in AB. And so there's a harmonic relationship between the two swings, and clearly resistance was seen off that high. So now the question is, we could get some bounce and backing and filling in this range before a continuation of the downside, or I should say testing of lower price levels, because the downside may not be much. We have to wait and see. The key levels to watch are the 50% retracement at 31.55 area. That also matches the purple 20 moving average. Then we have this interim swing low here at 31.25. Those are the main near-term levels. But then if we go to the weekly chart, we see the somewhat bearish shooting star candlestick pattern on the weekly time frame as well. But there's a few things going for silver. Number one, you could see how this purple 20-week moving average, the last time there was a full range above it was back here in November, the week of November 4th. Last week was the first time since then that there's a full range above the 20-week moving average. So this shows the weekly trend progressing and getting stronger. That also makes that weekly low significant, 31.25, because it's the part of higher highs and higher weekly lows that make up this trend structure. So we'll be keeping an eye on that as well. And then if we pop really quick to the monthly chart, you can see that we have a continuation on the monthly chart, because this month broke out of last month's inside month and then exceeded December high and November's high. So this is a clear monthly breakout. We've got a bullish pattern on the weekly. So the correction, either pullback or consolidation on the shorter time frame, would be expected to be relatively minor, given the longer term bullish indications that have triggered relatively recently. All right, that is it for silver traders. Have a great week.